Creating a high-level account is easier than making a sandwich, but way more exciting. Whether you're a marketing maven or a tech newbie, I'm here to guide you through the process. Once you purchase HighLevel, you will receive a welcome email from HighLevel like this. Click on this blue link to start setting up your HighLevel account. Enter your business details, choose your industry, and select how many customers you have. If you already have a website, choose the Yes option and enter your website. Click Next. Now fill in your billing information for your HighLevel account. Next, you can also resell HighLevel to build another income source. If you want to resell HighLevel, make sure to choose Yes, accept the terms and conditions, and finally click the blue button. Choose the tools that you're currently using for your business, such as WordPress, MailChimp, or any other tool that you're using. Once selected, hit Next. This is a quick overview of the features that HighLevel offers you in a single platform. And now can imagine how powerful this platform is. Click on Got It. Now it's time to secure your HighLevel account with a strong password. Once that is done, click Set Up My Account. Next, verify your email address via email and phone number via SMS for authentication purposes. Now it's time to create a sub-account. Essentially, the agency account is granted to whoever holds and pays for the HighLevel. For example, if you're an agency owner, you can purchase HighLevel and you will have access to a HighLevel agency account. Within your agency account, you can create sub-accounts for your business and clients to use HighLevel features. Each sub-account has its own dashboard from where you can manage different businesses separately and keep things organized. How many sub-accounts you can create depends upon which HighLevel plan you've purchased. A HighLevel starter plan allows you to create 3 sub-accounts only, whereas with the unlimited plan, there is no limit on creating sub-accounts. If you're getting confused between these 2 accounts right now, no worries, we'll give you more clarity in a moment. As of now, fill in the details for creating a sub-account, or you can also click I'll do it later. Now this is where the magic happens. You've finally reached your HighLevel dashboard. Now you're in the agency dashboard, and from here, you can manage your agency account and do things like creating sub-accounts, billing, reselling HighLevel, and accessing HighLevel universities to get free access to HighLevel learning materials. As you can see, no revenue data is showing up on your agency dashboard right now. This is because you've just created your account, and the Stripe account is not connected yet to your agency account. Click on Connect Stripe. But remember, once you have connected your Stripe account, you cannot change it later, so make sure to connect the right Stripe account. Once you're ready, click on Connect on your Stripe account, and it will take you to the Stripe site where you can create a new account or sign into your existing Stripe account that you want to connect with your agency. Click Go Back to return to your main agency dashboard. Now let's navigate to Settings from the bottom left corner, and from here, you can customize all the settings of your HighLevel agency account, such as My Profile allows you to change your personal information and password for your HighLevel account. After making any changes, don't forget to update your changes. From the Company tab, you can configure, customize, and manage your company settings, such as adding a business logo, information, privacy policy, and terms and conditions URL. Select a light or dark theme for your agency dashboard based on your choice. Update your business address and optimize your dashboard experience. Additionally, HighLevel also offers you AI features that you can turn on or off. Remember, enabling these AI features will cost you additionally. Once you're on a paid plan, you can turn on these AI features for your account. For example, the conversation. AI is an advanced feature that leverages AI technologies to enhance customer interactions with your business. You can train a bot to solve complex problems and provide safer, more accurate answers than any AI chatbot on the market. Enabling Review AI will give you the power to customize automated responses based on star ratings, define the wait time before sending each response, add a personal touch with review response footers, including thank you notes or your business name, tailor auto responses for specific sources, such as Facebook and Google. Workflow AI is a revolutionary workflow action that harnesses the power of artificial intelligence to enhance your business automation strategies. For example, use Workflow AI to generate a congratulatory message and certificate to be sent to the course finisher when a product completed is triggered in an online course. As you can see, there are no features for creating workflows, email campaigns, surveys, pipelines, automation, etc. This is because we are in the agency view, and that features are only available in the sub-account dashboard. To create a sub-account, navigate to the sub-account from the left navigation panel. If you already created a sub-account during the HighLevel onboarding process, you will see that sub-account here. Otherwise, click on Add Sub-Account, select a snapshot. Let's choose blank to create a sub-account from scratch, and then click Add the account manually. Here you can add the details of a business for which you want to create a sub-account. It can be your own business or your client, and click Save. I already created one sub-account for my business, so I'm jumping back to my agency dashboard. Now you have at least one sub-account created within your agency dashboard. So let's now learn how to jump into the sub-account dashboard. Click on Click here to switch, choose your sub-account, and now you've landed on the sub-account dashboard. From here, you can use HighLevel features for a selected sub-account such as marketing, automation, workflows, pipelines, CRM management, and much more. From the Launchpad, you can quickly set up things for your sub-account, such as downloading the HighLevel app and connecting Google My Business, Facebook, or Stripe, and add team members to the sub-account. Anytime, you can click on Settings from the bottom left corner, and from here, you can manage and customize all the settings of your sub-account. For example, updating the business profile and address. After making any changes, make sure to save the settings and click Go Back. Now you may want to switch back to your agency account. So, click on your sub-account name drop down from the top and hit Switch to Agency View. And there you have it, HighLevel Superheroes. This is how you can set up HighLevel accounts, customize the settings, and switch between agency and sub-accounts.